So find x. Left side don't change. You write 2 plus x root 3 equal to 1 by 2 plus root 3. Right side you do rationalization. So RF rationalizing factor of denominator 2 minus root 3 by 2 minus root 3. Now you get 2 plus x root 3 this side. Here into 1. So we get 2 minus root 3. Down a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square form. Then we get 2 plus x root 3 equal to 2 minus root 3. 2 square 4 root 3 square 3. 4 minus 3 1. So we get 2 plus x root 3 equal to 2 minus root 3. Then x equal to minus 1.